Hello and welcome to Direct Sewing Machines here in Bristol, and I'm going to show you with this video how to use the needle threader on the Bernette B35. Once you've threaded the top thread, you make sure your needle is in the highest position, and then you're going to bring your needle threader down and you're going to push it back so that it rotates around the needle. Take your thread under the large hook on the left and then down under and underneath this little hook here to the right of the needle. Hold the thread out the back, pull your needle threader forward, slowly let go, and you'll get a little loop at the back of the needle. Pull that loop and your needle is threaded.